If you clicked on this video, chances are you want to learn how to start making money with something called affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard about this amazing money you can make online from scratch, starting with as little as 30 minutes a day. And perhaps you've seen some results of beginners who are able to make money online and you're interested in doing this too, but maybe you don't know where or how to start. I want to tell you you're in the right place. I've been doing affiliate marketing full-time for around 6 years. And in this video, I'm going to share, first off, exactly what affiliate marketing is so you can understand in simple terms exactly how it works. Then I'm going to break down some key steps to get started, such as how to find a product to promote and 2 different easy and free methods to start getting clicks to your link as soon as today. That way you can begin making money as soon as possible. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to click the like button below to let me know. Also, be sure to click the first link below to get instant access to my free 4-day affiliate marketing crash course where I share every single step to make your first $2,000 online. All that being said, let me start by showing a video explaining what affiliate marketing is. All affiliate marketing is just finding products that you don't have to create. These are products that are already created. It could be training, it could be a camera, it could be a lot of things. And then all you have to do is actually join that company that created the product, join their affiliate program, which gives you your own link. This is simply a website link that's coded directly to you. Now, all you have to do is just go to places online, for example, like Pinterest or Facebook. And when you get people to click that link and they buy through your link, you get credit and you actually can make money in the form of a commission. So now that you know what affiliate marketing is, the first step is to find a product to promote. One place you can go is clickbank.com. You would just go to this site. You can click this Start Here button on the top right, and then all you have to do is answer a few simple questions and you can create a free account. Now, once you're inside your account, what you want to do is go to the top tab and click Marketplace. Now, what ClickBank does is it lists all these different categories of products that you can find to promote. They have categories such as health and fitness, e-business, e-marketing, spirituality, self-help, etc. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing and getting started, I highly recommend you start with either the health and fitness, e-business, e-marketing, or relationships, which on ClickBank are typically found under the self-help. These 3 niches are always going to be relevant for people and they're very good to start with. Now, I'm going to start with the health and fitness niche in this video, so you just click there. Now, on ClickBank and any affiliate platform, you want to find products that are already selling well, already making sales for other people. So the reason you want to do that is because if it's making sales for other people, chances are if we promote that product, we'll be able to make sales as well. So on ClickBank, you can sort results by gravity, high to low. And what this does right here is this shares with you the products with the highest gravity score. Now on ClickBank, gravity simply is an average of how many other affiliate marketers are successfully making sales. So the higher this number, the better. Anything above 30 on ClickBank is pretty good. You can see this one has an insane gravity score currently of over 1,600, which is great, okay? Another thing you want to keep in mind when you promote a product is what is the average dollar per conversion or the average amount of money per sale that you're going to make. The higher, typically the better, because you need a lot less sales to hit your income goal. You can see this one is 127, 118. So on ClickBank, the golden ratio is typically what is the highest gravity score with the highest dollar per conversion, okay? Because that's gonna make you the most money. So now what I like to do is any product I'm promoting, you wanna open up the sales page, which you can find by going to the affiliate link, and you wanna look it over and make sure you resonate with it, make sure it looks professional. Possibly you would even buy this product. Okay, so this one's looking very good. This is in the health and fitness niche, and it says it has to do with alpine nutrition and plants. So now on ClickBank and on any platform, you want to find your affiliate link. So on ClickBank, you would just click promote here, create hop link, which is just the affiliate link, and then we want to copy this to a notepad file, okay? This is the link you want to keep handy. You always want to keep your affiliate link very handy because this is what you want to promote. This is the link we want to get people to click on. So now our sole goal is to just get as many people that are interested potentially in our product to click on this link. So for our example, the product that we're promoting right now has to do with health and fitness. So the first free traffic source I want to share with you inside this video is Facebook. Now, if you go to Facebook, and this is going to be free, not running Facebook ads, what you can do is you can actually go to the search bar and you want to type a few words that have to do with the product and the niche you're promoting in. So for example, I can do health and fitness and I can search this. Now you can also do dating or make money online based on what product you're promoting. And once we search this, we want to go to the left and we want to sort results by groups because we're looking for big Facebook groups with a lot of members. You can see this one has 31,000 members because what we're going to do is actually post inside these Facebook groups to start to get clicks to our link. So you don't just want to open up one of these groups that are big because some of them may not be active. We want to look for groups that are having a lot of members, but also have a lot of posts per day because we know people are active. So this has 10 plus posts a day. So I can open up this group. Now, some of these groups, you have to actually become a member to post in. So you can just click join group here. And what we can do is we can actually just, make sure that it's active. Okay, so this one is not looking that great because you can see it's not getting a lot of engagement. So we want to find a group that people are posting in, but they're also getting some engagement. Okay, so this one has 35 likes. Okay, so this one has 19. So this one is better because it's actually getting people engaging in there. So now what we would do is we would go right here and we want to make a post. Now, the whole goal is to post something that's going to pique people's interest. We're essentially posting an ad, but we want to make this in a way that's very conversational and not very pitchy. Okay, so for example, this is a post that I made on my Facebook profile not too long ago where I was promoting a product that taught people how to make money online. So you can see how I wrote it here. And I did it where I didn't tell people what the product name is. You don't want to tell people all the information. You want to pique their interest. You want to get people interested and reaching out to you or commenting, okay, for more information. So the formula is basically you pique people's interest by talking about the benefit. Okay, so the product I was promoting was instant paying 100% commissions and you could get paid from a smartphone. So I said that, but I don't tell people what it is. Then I tell them comment 100 for info. So then you want to tell people comment yes for information, comment 100, comment info for information. Okay, you want to tell people to comment something so you start getting engagement. The more comments, the more this post will start showing up on other people's feeds. And you can see 100, 100, 100. Then what you want to do is all you want to do is open up their profile, the people that comment, and you just want to message them something like, hey, I saw you commented for more information. Check it out here. And then you would send them your affiliate link. Okay, so this is going to get you clicks already because if people are commenting, they're interested. And because this page is very converting well, okay, it's a high converting page, a portion of those people will buy and you will start making money. Now, how do we do it in the group? Well, in the case of a health and fitness product, I can go to this page here and I can just kind of read over some of this, to get an idea of what to post. So it says, belly fat. So this has to do with losing belly fat and plant-based nutrition, okay? Nutrients. So I can go here and I can say, wow, I just discovered a plant-based solution that will help you shed belly fat almost instantly. For info, comment yes, and I'll share with you more info. Something very simple just like this. Now, if you can keep the words shorter, okay, you can actually make it look like this right here. Okay, so I'll share with you. So if I get rid of some of this, I just discovered how to shed belly fat almost instantly. So I can click here and I can go there and then I can actually choose a background like this. And that looks pretty good. And then I would just post that. This is the first free traffic method, the free method to get people to click your link. The second way I want to share with you in this video is if you go to a site called freeglobalclassifiedads.com. The links will be in the description. If you go here, you can actually create a free account. You would just go to registration and you can actually go ahead and sign up for free by putting your name, a password, an email, and then I'm not a robot and create. Now, what this allows you to do is you can literally post your free ad on one of the busiest free advertising websites in the world. Okay, so this site gets thousands of visitors every single day. And what you can do is you can actually go here and you can select a category that you want to post an ad in, okay? So what happens is a lot of people are going to the site and they're looking at these different ads, they're viewing them. And what happens is when you can post these ads for free on here and they see your ad, they will get interested, and again, they will get redirected to our sales page, so they have an opportunity to buy. Okay, so again, once you log into your account, you just want to click publish your ad right here. Now for select category, again, you want to select the category that's most relevant to the product you're promoting. In this case, you can just do business opportunities, that's fine. Select subcategory, so we would do health, okay, because we're in the health and fitness niche. Now title, this is where you want to write a title that's gonna pique people's interest. So again, you can get inspiration from the sales page. I can look up here, it says the Alpine Secret for healthy weight loss. So I can actually use that as the title. The Alpine Secret to weight loss, okay? Now I can say, discover the shocking, okay, to make it more interesting. Discover the shocking Alpine Secret to weight loss. Description, this is just the body of the ad. You can write something very simple. If you're struggling to lose weight and shed body fat, I have a powerful secret solution for you. It has to do with using certain nutrients and plant-based ingredients to rapidly shed fat from your body. Notice again, I'm not talking about the actual name of the product. I'm not talking about, these pills, these capsules. I'm leaving it vague, but I'm also piquing their interest. So if they're struggling to lose weight, they're gonna wanna be interested. And then all I have to do is say, discover how to do it right here. And then I would just do that, okay? Now you can go down here and you can actually put in the affiliate link there. Discover how to do it right here, right? Then what I can do is I can go to another site, totally free, called tinyurl.com. Now, when you do affiliate marketing online, it's often not great to just promote this long link right here, this affiliate link, because it's very unattractive for people if they see it. So what you can do is copy this, put it into a site like tinyurl.com, and then you can actually make tinyurl. And what this does is it shortens. So this is actually the link right here. So I just click copy, and now we can replace that. So now this is the shortened link. And if you go to this page now, it will redirect to this sales page. So now we go back here. Okay, so I can paste that in like that. If you want to add images, you can. Price, okay, you can say free. Listing location, so you typically have to choose a listing location for the ad. You can really choose any big city, okay? So I can do Colorado, I can do like Denver. Any big city really does not matter. We just want as many people to see this as possible. Okay, please visit our website. You can put in the affiliate link again right there. Keywords, if you want it to show up in certain places, the ad, you can type in, health, weight loss, lose body fat, okay, anything like that. And then all you have to do is make sure you click no thanks. So it's free, and then just click publish. Okay, and there we have it. Once it redirects here, it was automatically published, and people will start to see this free ad just like these other ones. And when they click on it, they will get taken to the link that we put in. Okay, so this is the ad right there, and then it gets taken here, and then people can go ahead and buy. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really, really hope you enjoyed learning how to start affiliate marketing. It's incredibly powerful to make income online and create a freedom lifestyle. Be sure again, go down to the first link directly below, get my free 4-day affiliate marketing crash course that will take you by the hand, step by step, and help you make your first $2,000 even as soon as this week. Thanks so much for watching, my friend. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest videos. And until next time, I will see you on my next training.